Right, my friends, this book is called Sun, One in a Million, Billion. Sorry, it's got a B, not an M. Billion. On the back, the sneak peek says, read this book about sun, written by Sun, while you revolve around you guessed it, sun. So this book is going to be all about the sun. Once upon a time, about 4.6 billion years ago, a magnificent and important star was born. And that magnificent and important star was me, your sun, with a capital S. Yes, I am a star. Star, a massive and luminous ball of gas full of energy. 2, an outstanding, talented, and popular performer. I fit both definitions. CA is looking it up in the dictionary. The Milky Way galaxy has over 100 billion stars. There's me. That makes me 1 in a billion, or 1 in 100 billion. I am not the biggest, so what? Not the brightest, who cares? Not the oldest, whatever. But I am the most important, at least to you earthlings. Can you hang out for 8 minutes? That's how long it takes my light to reach Earth. Yep, I give you heat and light. You're welcome. I am so important that Earthlings should name a special day in my honor. We can call it Sunday. Oh, wait. I am famous for my heat and light, but I also hold our entire solar system together. Scientists call it gravity. What can I say? The planets are attracted to me. And because I am the center of the solar system, life revolves around me, literally. So we have Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Venus, Earth, the Sun, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. Look, they all go in the same direction. The other stars are far, far away from Earth, which makes them look teeny tiny and not so important. I am close, a mere 93 million miles from Earth. To an Earthling, I look like this. But Neptunians, I am 2,795 million miles away, and I look like this. If there were Neptunians, there's no known life on Neptune. Apple has decided to join us. Technically, I'm a yellow dwarf star, but I'm still a big, big deal. If I were the size of a basketball, Earth would be smaller than a grain of sand. You could fit about 1 million Earths inside me. But you can't fill me with Earths because I am hot stuff. Compare. A hot summer day is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A pizza oven is 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The orange-yellow flames in a campfire are about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. About 100,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. I can melt diamonds. So that's how hot the sun is. At my center, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. It's really, really hot. We wouldn't make it. Ancient Earthlings thought I circled the Earth. Can you imagine me revolving around Earth? And some might think that I sit in the sky all day and all night. But I got moves, baby. I'm spinning. And because, there goes the truck, I'm not solid, my middle moves faster than my top and bottom. It takes about 25 Earth days for it to rotate, and about 36 Earth days to rotate. So it takes 25 days for it to go this way and about 36 days for it to go that way. Don't try this at home. There goes another truck. Oh, they're loud. I am not only important, I am generous and good looking. So they have sunrises, sunsets, northern lights, southern lights. A little bit closer so you can see. Sit back and enjoy the show. Sometimes I like to be mysterious and sneak away for a few minutes. Solar eclipse! But don't worry, I'm just behind the moon. While I'm astronomically bigger than the moon, 400 times wider, the moon is astronomically closer to the Earth, almost 400 times closer. My neighbor stars have fancy names. Meet Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri B. Me, I just need 3 letters. Give me an S. Give me a U. Give me an N. What does that spell? Sun! Sun, sun, he's our star, light and heat from afar. Please note that it is a capital S because I am so important. All of the planets have a capital name because they are or capital letter because they are proper nouns. Not to hog the spotlight, but I've still got it. I'm the same hot, bright star I've always been. So grab your shades. I plan to be in the biz for another 6 billion years. You and me, we've got a bright future together. The end. That's all I have about the sun.